welcome back to AMG Cloud. In this video, we are going to discuss 5 questions of the AWS Solutions Architect Associate exam. Please make sure to like this video before we begin. So the first question is, a photo sharing company is storing user profile pictures in an S3 bucket and an image analysis application is deployed on 4 EC2 instances. A solutions architect would like to trigger an image analysis producer only on one of the 4 EC2 instances for each photo uploaded. What do you recommend? So there are 4 options. Yes, you can see there are 4 options. This is option 1. This is option 2, this is option 3, this is option 4. You'll have 10 seconds to answer this question. Your time starts now. Time up! So let us analyze the answers now. This is our option 2. Create a CloudWatch event that reacts to objects uploads in S3 and invokes one of the EC2 instances. This option is incorrect because CloudWatch events can't invoke EC2 instances directly. Okay, so option number 2 is incorrect. Option 3, create an S3 event notification that sends a message to an SNS topic. Subscribe the EC2 instances to the SNS topic. This option is incorrect. Why? Because SNS topics would send notifications to all subscribed EC2 instances, not just one. Okay, so your option 3 is also incorrect. Option 4, subscribe the EC2 instances to the S3 inventory stream is incorrect because S3 inventory stream is for auditing and reporting, not real-time processing. Okay, so option number 4 is also incorrect. Let's see option number 1. Create an S3 event notification that sends a message to an SQS queue. Make the EC2 instances read from the SQS queue. This option is correct. Why? Because it allows for efficient and scalable processing by sending notifications to an SQS queue, which can be read by one of the EC2 instances. Okay, so your option 1 at the end is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. A healthcare company is evaluating storage options on Amazon S3 to meet regulatory guidelines. The data should be stored in such a way on S3 that it cannot be deleted until the regulatory time period has expired. As a solutions architect, which of the following would you recommend for the given requirement? Your 4 options. This is your option 1, this is your option 2, this is your option 3, and this is your option 4. Okay, you have 10 seconds again. Time starts now. Time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 1, which is use S3 cross-region replication. This is incorrect. Why? Because it's for disaster recovery, not data retention. Okay. Now let us go to option 3, which is use Glacier Vault Lock is incorrect because it's for long-term archive storage, not regular S3 storage. Okay, so option number 3 is also wrong. Option 4, activate MFA delete on the S3 bucket is incorrect because it requires MFA to delete objects but does not prevent deletion entirely. Okay, so your option 4 is also incorrect. Option number 2, use S3 object lock is correct because it allows you to store objects with a specified retention period, preventing deletion until that period expires. Okay, so your option number 2 at the end is the correct answer. Alright, next question. A leading video streaming provider is migrating to AWS Cloud infrastructure for delivering its content to users across the world. The company wants to make sure that the solution supports at least 1 million requests per year for its EC2 server farm. As a solutions architect, which type of elastic load balancer would you recommend as a part of the solution stack? So you have 4 options again. This is your option 1, this is your option 2, option 3, and option 4. Now I want you to analyze the answers. Your time starts now. Time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 1, application load balancer, is incorrect because it's better suited for HTTP or HTTPS traffic and does not support the required request volume. Okay, so this option is incorrect, option 1. Option 2, infrastructure load balancer. This is incorrect. Why? Because it does not exist in AWS. Okay. Now option 3, classic load balancer. This is also incorrect. Why? Because it's outdated and does not support the required request volume. Okay. So option number 3 is incorrect. Option 4, network load balancer, is correct because it's designed for high performance applications supporting millions of requests per second and is ideal for large scale EC2 server farms. Okay, this is why option number 4 is the correct answer. All right, now let us go to next question. A healthcare company wants to run its applications on single tenant hardware to meet compliance guidelines. Which of the following is the most cost effective way of isolating the Amazon EC2 instances to a single tenant? 4 options again. This is option 1, this is option 2, this is option 3, and this is option 4. Okay, now you have 10 seconds again. Your time starts now. Time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 1, spot instances, is incorrect because they don't guarantee single tenant hardware. Okay, now this is wrong answer. Option 3, dedicated hosts, is incorrect because it's more expensive than dedicated instances and provides more features than needed. Okay, so wrong answer. Option 4, which is on demand instances, is incorrect because they run on multi-tenant hardware, not meeting compliance requirements. Okay, so your option, what, option 4 is incorrect. Okay, option 2, which is dedicated instances, is correct because it allows instances to run on single tenant hardware, meeting compliance requirements at a lower cost than dedicated hosts. Okay, that is why at the end option number 2 is the correct answer for this question. Hope you understood why. And we come to our last question. A new DevOps engineer has just joined a development team and wants to understand the replication capabilities for RDS multi-AZ as well as RDS read replicas. Which of the following correctly summarizes these capabilities for the given database? So you have quite big options. This is your option 1. This is your option 2. This is your option 3. Okay, this one. This is your option 4. Got it? Now I want you to analyze these answers properly. I know this question might need some more time than 10 seconds, so you can just pause the video to just read the options. But I'll give you 10 seconds itself. You can pause the video if you want. That's it. I'll start the timer now. Time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 2, multi-AZ follows asynchronous replication and spans at least 2 availability zones within a single region. Read replicas follow asynchronous replication and can be within the availability zone, cross-AZ or cross-region. So option number 2, which is this option, is incorrect. Why? Because multi-AZ uses synchronous, not asynchronous replication. Okay, so this option is incorrect. Let us go to option 3. Multi-AZ follows asynchronous replication and spans 1 availability zone within a single region. Read replicas follow synchronous replication and can be within an availability zone, cross-AZ or cross-region. Okay, this option is also incorrect. Why? Because multi-AZ spans at least 2 availability zones, not 1. And read replicas use asynchronous, not synchronous replication. Okay, so this option is also wrong. Okay, multi-AZ follows asynchronous replication and spans at least 2 availability zones within a single region. Read replicas follow synchronous replication and can be within an availability zone, cross-AZ or cross-region. Okay, So this option number 4 is incorrect because read replicas use asynchronous, not synchronous replication. Okay, so this option is also wrong. I think you can see now. Yeah. Now let's go to option number 1. Multi-AZ follows synchronous replication and spans at least 2 availability zones within a single region. Read replicas follow asynchronous replication and can be within an availability zone, cross availability zone, or cross region. This option is correct. Why? Because multi-AZ uses synchronous replication for high availability within a region, while read replicas use asynchronous replication for scalability and can be deployed within an availability zone, across zones, or across regions. Okay, got it? So this is why option number 1 is the correct answer. Okay, and all the others option, they are wrong. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Congratulations, you have successfully answered 5 questions today of AWS Solutions Architect Associate. Do let us know your score down below in the comments, and don't forget to pat yourself on the back for successfully answering 5 questions today. If you want more questions like this for solutions architect as well as a cloud practitioner, you can go visit our playlists and you will find more questions like these. Please like this video so that I stay motivated to create more questions like this. That's it for today's video. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep exploring.